Hello friends, welcome to Kids Zone with Trishy. Would you like to make some puzzles with me? Can you say yes? All right, let's make some puzzles. Help me find the first puzzle piece. Thank you. Can you tell what this is going to be? One more piece. Yay, we did it! We made a turtle. I wonder what this one will be. Can you see what we're making? I think you can. Does this piece fit here? Let's keep trying. Yes, we got it. A bumblebee. Bzzz. I wonder what this puzzle will be. Can you guess? Does this piece belong here? What do you think? It belongs here. A butterfly. A ladybug. Can you guess this one? An owl. A bear. Go ahead now. Go ahead. Put them together. Go ahead. Good job. Good job.
Okay. Daddy done?
Yay, we did it! Dinosaurs! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more.